Peace, love, and blessings. This is the Sacred Empress Alitash, the Melanated Mayan Mystic. How is everybody doing today? Today is a really important day. Again, how are you guys doing? How is the initiation cycle working out for you? We are in the third week or the halfway point in the initiation cycle. So if we are cognizant, we'll see that we are well on our way to the initiations that we are going to um, bring to life during this period. So what I want to talk about is the new wave spell that we are experiencing today. And we are experiencing the blue magnetic hand. So first off, what does that mean? First of all, whenever we have a color in the Mayan dream spell calendar, there's 4 different functions. Red is initiation, white is refinement or adjustment, blue is transformation, and yellow is harvest. So we are in the blue magnetic hand. This is blue. This is all about transformation. How are we being transformed by our actions? How are we experiencing things in this initiation cycle? What is happening that we have enchanted and that we are being receptive to and allowing? The blue magnetic hand is really powerful in that, first of all, it's blue. So again, we are transforming and we are being transformed. A medium is through the hand. So the blue hand is all about being hands-on. It's all about having accomplishments, which we all have accomplished things, knowing the things that we have accomplished, knowing the things that we have gone through, what we have endured, and where we want to go. And that's going to bring about a healing. What we know that we have accomplished is going to heal us and allows us to be very hands-on in our experience, knowing that we can manipulate our environment. And by manipulate, I'm not talking about manipulation, a negative kind, but I'm talking about your hands working, your hands contributing and creating the desired life that you want. It's really important. For the next 13 days, we're going to tap into our storehouse, our memories, again, of what we accomplished. This accomplishment energy is so high. It's the higher power that's going to guide us twice. So the power of your accomplishments double is going to be at the helm of this blue magnetic hand. And also with that magnetic vibration, it's all about being observant. So whatever you're going to be dealing with for the next 13 days will occur today. So you don't have to go out looking for your purpose. Your purpose is going to reveal itself to you. And it does so today on a magnetic day, blue magnetic hand. So you just see what's popping up. And that's going to be a focus for the next 13 days. This is the Sacred Empress Alitash, the Melanated Mayan Mystic. Take care, fam.